In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. Let's get started by heading over to ClickUp's official website. If you're not familiar, ClickUp is a versatile productivity platform where you can manage tasks, documents, goals, and much more in one place. Now, once we're on their homepage, you'll want to click on Login. If you haven't used ClickUp before, it's a good moment to consider signing up. It's an excellent tool for personal and project management alike. After clicking Login, you'll be directed to a page where you can select how you'd like to sign in. For those of you who prefer the convenience of using your existing accounts, click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the login process by linking your ClickUp account with your Google credentials, making it easier and faster. After gaining access to your ClickUp workspace, let's locate the plus icon, which is your gateway to creating something new within ClickUp. Here, click on the templates to open the door to a world of pre-designed structures that can save you a lot of setup time. Think of these templates as blueprints. They offer a solid foundation for your projects. Next, in the search bar, type Personal Budget. This action will filter the templates to only those suitable for personal budgeting. However, since we want a specific one, make sure to remove all selected template types so that you don't accidentally limit your search results further. This selection broadens your scope, allowing you to view the full array of personal budget templates available. Once you've successfully filtered your search results, look for and select a template that appeals to your budgeting needs. Click on Use Template. You'll actually need to click Use Template twice sometimes, just to confirm your choice or any specific settings associated with it. With your personal budget template now part of your project, find and click on Personal Budget within your workspace menu. This option should guide you directly into your newly added template. Take a moment here to explore what's available within this section. Navigate next to Budget Items in your sidebar. This is where you'll begin getting into the details of your budget. Review how these budget items are structured. It's designed to give you clear visibility of what you owe and when it's due. Speaking of which, this brings us to the Dollar Due section. This area highlights outstanding payments, ensuring that you're continually aware of due dates and how much you need to allocate accordingly. Finally, for a broader view, click on Budget by Category. This feature categorizes your expenses and incomes, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your financial landscape. It's especially useful for those who manage multiple streams or types of expenses, giving a clear snapshot of where your funds are distributed. And there you have it. A structured way to organize your finances within ClickUp. With these steps, managing and tracking your budget becomes a much more manageable process. Thank you for joining today, and happy budgeting!